This is Riff with IPTPA, and today I'm here to introduce a new training tool that is absolutely going to revolutionize our sport. If you're a 2.5, 3.0, 3.5 player and you've been stuck at that level for a significant amount of time, it's probably because you haven't mastered the third shot drop. Now, we all know it is the toughest shot in pickleball, but with this training tool that we're introducing today, you're going to see how you can effectively leapfrog one or two skill levels simply because of your ability to get up to the line because you've mastered the toughest shot in pickleball. So today we're introducing the Apex. The Apex comes in a customized bag. This one's made specifically for IPTPA. The product itself is lightweight, it's all aluminum based, weighs just a matter of pounds. You can see I'm just one finger, so it's easy to transport onto the court, indoors or outdoor use. So the custom bag has a full zipper to allow for easy use of packing and unpacking. The product itself is covered in a plastic wrap. It comes with 4 water weights, 2 water weights per package. These are about 5 pounds each when they're filled with water. They are placed on the product base itself to make certain that the product stays stable in outdoor windy conditions. Okay, now we can simply take the product out of our bag. As you can see, extremely lightweight. We're gonna slide out the base. Place that on the floor. We've got 2 adjustable poles which allow the product to be adjusted from 36 inches all the way up to 72 inches. These simply get placed into the customized holder. Okay, once we've got our adjustable poles in, we're now at the low level. Simply raise the screen. We've got hooks built into the screen itself. We're simply going to insert that into the adjustable pole and you're all set. Okay, one of the things I want to point out on this is that in order to adjust the poles themselves, you want to hold on to the actual pole, not the gripper itself. So you twist by the pole, it'll slide up, turn counterclockwise, and then it'll tighten. Okay, so we're not using the gripper itself. That's what typically most Americans are going to grab. They're going to grab this and try to tighten and untighten it. You want to actually use the poles themselves to loosen it and then to tighten it. Now it's tight. One of the important features I'd like to point out on the Apex is that the screen was designed and developed with all these holes so that it would be suitable for outdoor use. When it gets windy, the airflow is going to go through the actual screen as opposed to a solid surface where it's going to dramatically affect the stability of the product. So we're showing you what the adjustability of the Apex is and why. When the Apex is down at that lower level, it's when we first start teaching what we refer to at IPTPA as the long dink. So we're probably just at this point just going to be 2 or 3 steps behind the no volley zone line, practicing on doing a dink and having it land in the no volley zone line of our opponent. You can see that the Apex is slightly higher than the net, and it's also been pulled closer to where the person is striking the ball. As they back up and they become more proficient, the second view of the Apex shows it at a much higher view, and that's when the player is going to be at the baseline. They're going to have the Apex much closer to them and probably about 1.5 steps behind the no volley zone line on your side. We hope you enjoyed the introduction of this fantastic new product, the Apex, today. We went through the features and benefits. It's going to be made available exclusively through IPTPA. That's IPTPA.com. IPTPA is the leading teaching organization setting the world standard in how to effectively teach this great game. Thanks for watching.